Hi guys. A good clue if you want to treat your calipers against the rust and give them a pretty nice black, shiny black look. As you can see on this side, I did it already 4 years in 2019 when I bought the car. I must admit that I'm lucky because I'm living in the dry and sunny place. So obviously the weather is not so bad and the rust is not coming so fast. If I make this video, it's not only to show you how to treat the rust, but it's also to show you how it's look like after the treatment. The product I use is a rust converter. I use this brand. I don't have any sponsoring with that, but for me it's one of the best. I think you know already, but there is some rust converter who let the metal at the same color, and there is some other rust converter. When you apply, it's changing color. This rust converter is changing color from white to blue, then black. I did this side a quarter ago, and as you can see, there is still mark of blue, but globally it's becoming black and shining black. So you treat your brake caliper against the rust, but also you give them a nice look. I will do this wheel with you. I will treat here also. I put in the small bottle because it's more convenient. I use 2 brushes, one small, one average. To make the edge of the disc, I use the small brush carefully. You see the result already? It's becoming black. As I told you before, I'm living in the dry place, so it's easier for me. But even if you do that every year, it's a half an hour job. It's nothing to preserve the car. Of course, if you want to paint your caliper in blue or red or purple or what else, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. Because no choice, it will be black. Black of the black. Don't worry also if you put rust converter on the disc, it will be gone after 10 kilometers. I will let dry all night long and put back the wheel tomorrow. See, from clear blue to blue and then black. Looks like this product is more sensitive on the cast iron. Maybe because there is more carbon. I don't know. So you see the changing color is so obvious. Well, I'm done. As you can see, it's still blue. And let's see in the opposite side after 45 minutes, something like that. See how it's shining black? Well, let's see tomorrow the final result when I put back the wheels. In fact, it's not tomorrow. It's 1 month and a half later because I lost the rush talking about and showing the result after the painting. And so we did the travel 2,000 kilometer round trip to Paris, and here is after 1 month and a half the result. So still okay, still shining. Of course, it's not shining like a paint, it's not shining like a powder coating, but it's really enough if we compare the work and the price. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next time. Cheers.